Hello, my friends. This is city of Trentino, one of the most beautiful city in Italy. And right now, I am in the heart of the city, and you can see the river. This Aldich River is mind blowing, and it's the water is crystal clear, and it's the water comes from mountains, so it's awesome. Okay, just see the scenarios around the. Right now, I'm on a river, on a bridge, and I'm trying to capture the areas. So, stay tuned. Okay. This river is just mind blowing. Wow, so beautiful. These houses are actually not in the low land areas or in the plain land. They are on mountains. Okay, so many houses there. Okay, let's have a walk to show you more something. The beautiful city of Trentino. This is the first time I'm here, and I'm really amazed to see such a beautiful city. Oh, oh, the flowers are nice. There is a lot of flowers. I saw also in Verona, uh, like this type of flowers um, hanging on the bridge. So they're mind blowing. Just awesome. What a natural view. I saw when I was visiting Torun in Poland. There is a river called Vistula River. That river is also mind blowing. But the water here is more clear than that river. This river is not too width, but it's the tidal forces are very high here. The current you see here, it's really a bit higher. Wow, I mean, something new is exploring. You can see in the top of the mountain there is many houses. Uh, the Dolomite range, I mean the mountains here, its name is Dolomite, and this is a part of Dolomite range, and it is just wonderful. So the thing is that the river is in my left side, and in my right side the mountains. So it's a really a very nice combination. Okay, in the back view, just awesome. Let's see the river. Aha, okay, there is something very interesting. The cable car. You see here, uh, from that side, you can go, you can ride on and go through this cable car to the top of the mountain to see the city of Trentino. Aha, it's going upward, looking like an helicopter, but it's not a helicopter. It's a cable car. This man has two dogs. Awesome. Okay, so the cable car is landing uh, on the top of the mountain. It's amazing. Okay, so one of the cable car is moving towards the mountain, and another one is coming down. You see here, they're coming down. Okay, I will show you in details. And I would like to show you the other side's sceneries. This is Dolomites. It's coming down. Wow. This is really nice mechanical engineering. Wow, it's so stable. It's so stable. And now I will show you how it's getting down. Let's go down here. That is the landing station. So one landing station is in the lowland area, and another one is in this mountain. It's very high in the top. The car got dropped. Let's move to some other places. Wow, the current of the river is very, very strong, very strong. It's moving on. You can see the location here. It's Trento, and Verona is Verona and Rovato in one direction, and Modena is in another direction. I mean, we can go from here to South Tyrol or Bolzano, in one direction, and another direction is towards Verona. Wow, see the mountain. This is mind blowing. Now from here we can see it more clearly. This is marvelous and mind-blowing. The Italian Dolomites.